Hello, my name's Tennessee and I study computer science at Montfort University. I'm currently in my second year of studying and the workload has increased exponentially from last year. So I spend a lot of hours every day at my computer, coding, programming, doing whatever I need to do for my coursework. So often in the evenings I don't have a lot of time to cook and make the kind of meals that I think I should be making. I've come up with a few recipes that I like to make every week that are going to last me the whole week. So this video is going to show you how I prep those and cook those. The first recipe I'm going to show you is roasted pepper hummus and it is amazing. Also, what's really great is everything in this video is plant-based. Let's go. My leek and potato soup. Finally, my vegan chili. I hope this video gives you a little bit of insight to just how easy meal prep can be if you plan properly, and how easy dinner can be all week, and lunch and breakfast. Bye!